Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing. I'm not sure if this is an unboxing because there is no box that came with our item, but this is the Rakk Daguob Illuminated Gaming Headset, the Red Edition. Please stay until the end of our video as we will be announcing our next giveaway, so stay tuned for that, alright? Now let's continue with our unboxing. Okay, so here's what we have from our package. So this is the Rakk Daguob Illuminated Gaming Headset, Red Edition. Some branding right here from Rakk, and I believe this is the volume rocker right here, and this should be the mic, and I believe there are some LEDs here and here. So left and right we have some striking LEDs here. So this headphone has over-the-ear cups right there. That's soft and synthetic, I would say, and it doesn't have that much toughness when you try to stretch it. It's just the normal amount, I would say. And they say that you can replace these cups, or you can detach it from here if you wanted to, if ever you wanted to clean it. So there, it's easy to detach right there. Here. So you can detach this, replace it, or clean it. And to put it back, just point on the slots right here on the ear cups and make sure to get it back right there, nice and easy. So there. In terms of the headband, it's quite stretchy, as you can see here. There are no points of adjustment from here, so you cannot adjust these. This is the length of it, and the headband will just adjust with your head size. We have a fairly large wire here. So these are the wires for our headphones. You cannot detach it from the headphone. It's permanent in there. Remember that this is just a budget gaming headphone, so you get what you pay for, right? So for the plugs, you get a USB to power our LEDs, and of course this is for the sound, and this is for your mic. So let us plug the unit in. So there we go, with our LEDs on our headphone, gaming headphone that is. So the Rakk logo is clearly illuminated with red right there, and as I mentioned earlier, LEDs on the front, left and right there, and another branding LED right here for the Rakk logo. So if you can see also, there are markings here so that you'll know which is left and which is right in terms of wearing it, and there's the right one. So the color looks good. I like the red. It's not that bright, just the right amount, I would say. Yeah. Wow. So this is how it looks like in the dark. So you see it just has the right amount of light. You see my hands there, right? So there we go. That looks good. Now the sound that it produces is decent enough. I would say it has more bass than treble, but it's acceptable in terms of the sound. But then the mic, if you're planning to, you know, maybe do some voiceovers or record better audio for maybe other purposes, this is not the one for you. Maybe you should look for other headsets or other mics for that purpose, because this mic really does not sound that good. No, I mean, it's not crappy, but it's not that decent either. So, but the sound is good, and I would say that it has more bass, as I have mentioned, but you can easily use any software you have, maybe a DAC or maybe a software on your machine to equalize the sound so it would fit your taste better. So the sound can be, you know, mended, but the mics, I'm not so sure about that. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Rakk Daguob Illuminated gaming headset, Red Edition. So I would say that this will be a lot of good help for those with a tight budget. But if you are looking for a headset with crisp and balanced bass and treble, this is not it in terms of sound. And also on the functionality of the mic, yeah, sure, it does the job, but your voice would sound really muffled, and I would say it's not acceptable for me. It works, but not acceptable. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our video for today. And for our giveaway announcement, we will be doing our next giveaway when we reach 3,500 subscribers. So we will be giving this one away, the Rakk Daguob Illuminated gaming headset, as one of our items for the giveaway for the 3,500 subscriber giveaway that we have. So to be able to enter the giveaway, you just need to be subscribed. Of course, watch our video. Do not forget to like and comment on the video. When we reach 3,500 subscribers, we will be randomly choosing one video where we'll be choosing one subscriber with a comment on that video to win one of our giveaway prizes. So again, get subscribed. Do not forget to like and comment on the video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. But that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.